whisper gently saying you don't know how to keep on trying. It shows something's changing in me. It shows now I'm hardly breathing. There's no bad light. Way to go. Oh, that corona.
Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. I'm Karrie Lynn if you're new here today, and in this video I'm going to share with you two major transformations. First, we are going to be cleaning out the carport, doing some major deep cleaning, pressure washing, and rearranging, also decluttering. And then we are also going to be transforming the back porch into a more functional, kind of like outdoor dining space. So I hope you enjoy this video. I hope it gives you lots and lots of motivation. Let's get right into it. All right, so as you can see, we're doing a little cleaning up first. We had a party that we went to on Saturday night, so there were some coolers and stuff that we needed to pick up, and then Dylan's just draining the pool really quick. The kids were playing in it earlier today, so since we were going to be coming back and forth through the yard, we didn't really want it right in the way, so he just went ahead and drained that and moved it. And then we're going to work on moving this patio set out of the way so we can clean off the patio rug and get all the space cleared up, because there is a dining room table that I got off Facebook Marketplace for $15. Or was it 15 or was it 30? I can't remember. It's been a minute, but either way, it was super cheap. And I had it in my dining room for a while, but then it was just too big in there. And then I used it out in our carport as like a work space. And then I did realize that that didn't work out because that table was just so massive. It was great as a spot to put my saw, but it just took up so much room, and we are actually utilizing our carport as a workout space now. So, you know, we're always just changing things up around here. It's never boring, that's for sure. So anyway, we are going to be putting the old dining room set out here, or the dining room table, and then I'm going to be utilizing some of the pieces of our patio set here, the couch, as the chairs, because I don't have any patio chairs. We actually got rid of our chairs recently when we did a massive declutter. We put them by the road, and I'm kind of regretting it because they would have been perfect, but you know, it is what it is. And now we're just going to kind of use what we have. So like I said, I'm going to use some of the chairs from the patio set to use as chairs for around the table, and it actually worked out really good, and I think it turned out so pretty. But just keep in mind, this is like part one of the back patio makeover. I'm going to have to redo the tabletop, and eventually we do want to get actual patio chairs, but for now, like I said, we're just going to utilize what we have and make it as beautiful as possible.
Bend over, touch the ground. Shut up.
All right, so here's the current situation happening in the carport. Basically, what happened is we decluttered everything, cleaned out our entire carport not too long ago, and then we loaded it all up into the back of my truck. And a lot of it was supposed to go up to my family's ranch, the vanity, the 2 bags of clothes for my cousin's wife and her girls. And then we had back-to-back things happening. It was my daughter's birthday party. Then we had a party to go to this Saturday. So everything that was in the back of my truck that was supposed to be dropped off never got dropped off. It got dropped off right back into the back of my carport. So now we're going to attempt to clear this out again. This time, everything's back in the back of my truck. And today, while I'm actually filming these voiceovers, I'm supposed to go eat lunch with my daughter at school, and then as soon as I'm done with that, I'm heading straight up there to drop this stuff off, because if I don't do it today, at some point it'll end up back in here because we have nowhere else to store it. And you know, life happens. It is, you know, it happens. But either way, we're going to clean this up again. And this time you can see the big table that I've been talking about. That is going to come out of here. We originally put it on wheels just so I could have like a work space. But like I said, it's too massive for this space, and it just ended up not working out. So we're going to clear this up, take the wheels off, and use that table out back. survive?
Take the wheels off right here.
Right here?
Yeah. You're doing it in the sun.
What are you doing?
Can you help me?
What am I
It's
doing?
heavy. I don't want to.
What am I going to
Just
do?
kind of cup it lower down. Yeah, just got it down.
I mean, are you going to, how am I going to get my fingers out?
Now let it go.
You got it?
Yeah.
This is a heavy duty table.
Put those in.
I like it when you do work for me.
I'm done. What are you doing with all this?
I'm saving these because eventually I'm going to make me a workbench. Don't pour over. Like that. Oh my god. You don't. You look mean all the time. Let's get it.
If this doesn't work out back there and you don't like it, I'm breaking it apart and I'm burning it because I'm not carrying it back there.
All right, lift it up. Get up there and lift this. All right, lift it up.
What do you mean lift it up?
Lift it up on its side, this way. Bring it to me. Just don't let it hit my truck. Okay, now get over here and get the dolly.
Just get it to the fence?
And get it to the fence. Yes, it's too heavy to try to carry it.
All this work.
I
You could
know.
have just carried it over there.
No, I can't carry it. I can hardly get a grip on it. See? You don't even need my help. Oh, maybe so. Look, it's gonna go straight through just fine. See, you know, my motto is work smarter, not harder. His butt is trying to carry this 1,000-pound table. It's really not that heavy, but it is freaking heavy. I can't stand carrying this table because it's awkward. I'm short. It's hard to get a grip on it. And he's over here just acting like I'm a grown man. I can just carry things like that, and I can't. So I'm like, if you don't just use the freaking dolly before I put you on the dolly. I thought it was funny, so I thought I'd leave some original audio clips in there. Please know we are joking most of the time, but this is real life. If you and your husband or like you and your spouse don't go back and forth like this, then like, are you even married? Because like we don't really fight often, but when we're working on projects, we do like, you know, have that back and forth, like I'm the boss, he's the boss, I always win type of thing. All right, so on a serious note, this cabinet that my husband's moving out now, he picked this up off the side of the road for me, which I thought was so sweet. It's really, really nice and very heavy duty, like solid wood. So I'm going to be doing a makeover on that very soon, but we had to move it out along with everything else that we could because we are going to pressure wash the concrete in here and just get the windows cleared up. We have not pressure washed or cleaned these two windows since we bought the house. It's been 4 years. 4 years. That's a long time. So yeah, we're going to clean all this out. Eventually, I will be painting the concrete. I can't do it right now. Obviously, you can see we have leaves falling from our tree. It's just not a good time to paint. We're going to wait till like springtime and we're going to be doing some major outdoor refreshing. However, we do plan on doing the roof in here very soon. I think we're going to try to work on it next weekend. We're going to be doing a black metal roof inside the carport, and then my husband's going to install me some really nice big fans. So that way, not only will we have a great workout space, but I'll have a workspace for like working on projects, and also it'll be kind of like a sitting area when the kids want to play up front and we're watching them.
I'm getting tired of sleeping. Think I've had enough. I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beating from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. Looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared away for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. I give up all of my little addictions, yeah.
It's a hurricane.
Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. And I'm looking for your attention. Looking for your attention. Looking for your attention.
All right, so as you can see, my husband definitely took over with the whole pressure washing job. Me and him both were fighting over who was going to do it. Like, not seriously fighting, but I love pressure washing. It's so satisfying. If you don't have a pressure washer, I highly, highly recommend the Giraffe Tools pressure washer. That's the one I have. It attaches to the wall. It has a retractable hose. I did a sponsorship with them a long time ago, and I'm trying to get another sponsorship just because I swear I rave about this thing all the time, but they never sponsor me. They did in the past, but I would love for them to sponsor me again, because ever since we did this sponsor, I have talked about this pressure washer at least 50 times, but it's been great. We definitely recommend. So I got the back patio pressure washed, and then using, like I said earlier, some of the patio chairs to just kind of place them around the table to make it look like a set. This is just temporary until we can get new chairs, but honestly, it actually turned out really nice.
'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night. 'Cause
dancing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone.
There were 2 pieces to the outdoor sectional still left, so I decided to use these out in the carport instead, and then utilize the black chairs that are under the carport for around the fire pit, because those will hold up better in the sun. We've had them outside in the yard for a long time, and they still look great. And also, let me just say, that patio set that I purchased, it's held up amazing. It was really cheap. I want to say I paid like $149. It came with 2 chairs, like a little love seat, and then a table. The table broke, but the chairs held up great. And I'm talking about that little black one that's right there on the left-hand side. So, like I said, I put a couple of those out by the fire pit and then made a little couch right here. So that way we have like a cute little sitting space. Dylan sometimes will sit out here with me while I'm working out, or vice versa. So I thought it turned out really cute.
I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you.
All right, so I'm gonna put my exercise equipment back in place and then share with you guys a couple before clips just to remind you how it looked before and then what it looks like now. It's incredible what just clearing out all the junk does, and obviously, and doing a nice clean. I cannot wait to get that little cabinet painted, get the roof done in here with some fans and some lights. We have so many plans for this space, and it's just a work in progress. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and please take a moment, let me know in the comments what you think. Give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel